Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a classic southern pea salad, starting off with a half of a cup of mayo and a half of a cup of sour cream, along with 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of hot sauce, a half of a teaspoon of hot paprika, a half of a teaspoon of salt, and a half of a teaspoon of black pepper. Now that these are stirred together, I'll add in a half of a cup of diced roasted red bell peppers and a half of a cup of onion. Today I'm using green onion, but any onion really would work here. Next in is 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese that I've cut into pea-sized cubes. And 3 cups of, I'm using frozen peas, but if you can find fresh peas, those would work also. Once everything gets stirred together, it gets covered with saran wrap and placed in the refrigerator for at least an hour, or preferably overnight, to allow all the flavors to marry together. After chilling for several hours in the refrigerator, I went ahead and transferred the pea salad into a serving dish, and I've garnished it with a little bit of a sliced green onion. And now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. It's been a long time since I've had this, and I've forgotten just how good pea salad is. The flavors here are so well balanced. There's a nice subtle heat from the hot paprika and a little bit of tang from the sour cream. Overall, this is absolutely fantastic and would go so well with so many different kinds of dishes. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.